A treaty that may have never existed might have changed the ancient world. Marathon Salamis, Eurymedon, Athens is rising. Persia's massive. The Aegean is a chessboard. Then, supposedly, a deal. Persia keeps its warships away from the Aegean, leaves the Ionian Greeks alone. True, it cools a hot war, lets Athens build culture, fleets, an empire of its own. Enter Callias II, wealthy, connected, high-born negotiator. He's said to have carried Athens' terms to the Persian court, but here's the twist. Thucydides never mentions this treaty. Herodotus, silent. Isocrates, Demosthenes, Diodorus, inscriptions that prove it. Many scholars think they're later creations. Maybe a formal treaty with stamped terms. Maybe an informal understanding after both sides got tired and poor. Maybe nothing more than propaganda. What we do know, fighting fades after mid-century. Signature on papyrus, simple exhaustion, the Aegean gets quieter. Athens shifts from survival to spectacle. Temples rise, drama flourishes, ideas explode. And Callias II, haloed silhouette, fabulously rich, mocked by comedians, forever linked to a piece we can't quite prove. That's the mystery. Handshake redraws an empire? Or did a legend fill the gap where paperwork went missing? Either way, Callias II stands at the edge of myth and policy. Thanks for watching.